Hello student, this is the numerical of chapter number 2nd electrochemistry class plus 2 exercise question number 2.5 part 4. This is the electrochemical cell which is given in the question. So in this one we have a bromine ion, okay, at anode side and hydrogen ion at cathode side. And how to check the cathode and anode side, you can remember this formula. Okay, the formula is LOAN, LOAN. L means left side, O means oxidation, oxidation means loss of electron, E anode and N is negative. Okay, so this is anode side which is at left side, this is cathode side. Okay, and the E0 cell values are given, electrode potential values at standard concentration, hydrogen always 0 and bromine value is 1.09 volt. Okay, and now we will use next equation. The formula is written, E cell is equal to E0 cell minus 0.0591 upon n log concentration of product upon reactant. Now first of all let's find out the value of n. N means number of electron exchange during the reaction. So first of all check at a node which reaction is going on. So here we have bromine ion, it will convert into bromine gas. Okay, so it is having extra electron, so it will lose this electron. So bromine ion, it will lose the electron and it will convert into bromine gas. It is diatomic molecule, so we will use 2 bromine ion and it will lose 2 electrons. Okay, now similarly at cathode side we have a hydrogen ion. So hydrogen ion, 2 hydrogen ion will gain these 2 electrons which are lost by bromine. Okay, and after gaining these electron, hydrogen gas will produce. So hydrogen gas will evolve at cathode side and bromine will evolve at anode side. Now next value which we have to find out, this E0 cell value, electrode potential value at standard concentration. So E0 cell how to find out, E cathode minus E anode. So at cathode side we have hydrogen, its value is always 0 and the value of anode, it is 1.09. so the final value will be in minus, okay, minus 109 volt. So fill these values here, let's see. So firstly E cell, the value of E0 cell is minus 1.09 minus 0.0591. Now value of N is 2, number of electron exchange during the reaction, that is 2. After that we have log concentration of product. So at product side we have bromine gas and second at cathode we have hydrogen gas. Both are gases and their value is given 1 bar and 1 bar. So 1 value for both the products. Now next we have in denominator we have concentration of a reactant. So concentration of bromine and concentration of hydrogen which we have to fill, and the values are given in the statement only. This value is of bromine ion and this value is of hydrogen ion. So we'll fill these values. Bromine value is 0.010 and 0.030. This is the value of hydrogen. And now see, their coefficient is 2 of both ions, so we'll use these coefficients as their power. Now we have to solve this and we have to find out the value of log. So let's start it, minus 0.9 and after dividing these two you will get 0.0295 and log upside 1 into 1. Now see how to solve it, and after decimal we have 3 digits, okay, and on scaring you will get 6 zeros, so you write these 6 zeros on top. Similarly this side also you are having in denominator, okay, after decimal you have 3 digits, so after scaring you will get 6, so write these zeros upside on the top, okay, on reversing. And on scaring 10 you will get 100 in the denominator, on scaring 30 you will get 900, so we have to cancel these 4 zeros like this. Now what left, we have to check 0.095 log. Now how many zeros are there? See, 6 plus 2, 8 zeros, and downside we are left with 9. So now here we will apply one formula, that is log A upon B, means log A it is always equal to log a minus log b. Now we will fill this value over here. We will use this formula, log 10 raised to the power 8 log minus log 9. Okay, now after this how to solve it? Okay, these value will be given in the like statement only in the paper. So now how to solve this also? Log 10 raised to power 8, we know that this is also formula which we have to use. So this power will come at the front, then you will get b log a value. Okay, so 8 will come at the front, and log 10, you know the value, it is always 1. Log 10 is always 1. So 8 into 1. And this log 9 also you can convert. Log 9 you can solve it like this also. You can convert it into 3 square. 2 will come at the front, fill the value of log 3 and you will get the answer. Multiply with 2, or you can directly fill the value of log 9 also. Okay, and the value of log 9 is 0.9542. By using log table you will find the value. Next one is minus 1.09, 0.0298. So 8 into 1 8, and minus this value. Upon subtracting we will get value 1.0458. So these are the values, and after on multiplying these values we will get 0.208, and now we have to add these values. Minus 0.09 or 0.028, 8921. So the final answer is minus 1.298. So this is the value of E cell. Okay, the final value. So let's check it again. What you have to do? So this is left side of the cell, means anode side. This is right side of the cell, which is cathode side. This is salt bridge. Okay, these are the electrode potential values of hydrogen and bromine. Okay, next equation formula this is, and firstly we will find out the value of N. And how to find it? Firstly we will write the equations at anode and at cathode. Okay, and then after that we will check the number of electron exchanged. Then we will find out the value of E node cell. Okay, E cathode minus E anode. Okay, then we will fill the values, and upon scaling we will get these values. Apply the formula log A upon B, log A minus log B, and then take the power at the front, and log 10 is always is equal to 1. So you will get this value. Log 9 you can solve by this method also, or you can use this method also. 3 square, 2 will come at the front, then fill the value log 3. Otherwise you can use this value also direct, and then multiply this value, and this is the final value. Okay dear, thank you so much.